New pickup in from Sneakerbaas. This was a collaboration with KangaROOS. This collab was old. They're having a new collab soon. Coming this Friday. I'm definitely going to go for that. Super fire. And then this one was an older release. My size was there. They had 20% off all sailed items. This item was on discount since there's only like a couple sizes left. So I was able to grab it. This was the other pair from the turtle, if you saw that one. Yeah, let's move this one to the side. Take a look. This is the dead bird. The other one was the turtle. So this is a Sneakerbaas KangaROOS Windmill pack. Deadly black and bloody pink. That is the colorway. Alright, so I'm going to take this one off. Got it ripping. Just gonna rip it out. Alright. So it comes with this Hummel. Tells you about the shoes. This one is extra laces, KangaROOS pouch. And here is the shoes. This one is all suede and nubuck right here. Got all suede. The other pair was all leather. The other pack, check it out. Dynacoil. Dead birds. Very nice. Left the colorway. Check out the inside. Got the bird in there, I don't even tell. Right there. And has the gun bottoms, you already know. Gun bottoms. Big fan of gun bottoms. This one says dead on the lace lock. Other one should say bird. There you go. Other one says bird right there. Basically dead bird. Super fire. SB Sneakerbaas. Got the little heel tab red. Yeah. Very fire. Got that suede. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Grab these for half off. Definitely a great price. Definitely happy about these. So, and it has a stash pocket. It says made in Germany. I think there's a number on this one too. Is there a number pair on this one? Yeah, I don't know if you can tell. This is so dark. Is 113 out of 200 pairs. So only 200 pairs made. This is number 113. So yeah, subscribe if you guys want to see more videos. See you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.